it's good to have somebody who could actually help you out and things like that. Be careful and be careful getting out.
And then I speed in this road.
Woo. Oh, gotta get my glove. What's up with it?
Man, I wish you would have parked like that. I could have showed you an easy way to get in and get out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Man, fuck. I went all the way down. I was like, what is the truck around here? Nah. Let me go look for it.
My bad. I should have
went all the way down. You cool. So this is the bill of lading and stuff.
Yeah, it's fucking veneer insert, veneer core. It's like
I don't know what the hell that is.
Let's say plywood, that little comb, that core shit that be on the inside when you layer it up.
Of plywood?
Yeah. It's flimsy as fuck. You ain't gotta worry about it.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I swear I don't know what the hell you talking about. But shit, I'll see it when I take this shit apart and stuff. So I gotta give you
14 straps.
14 straps and shit, give you some
Nah, bro.
You don't need none?
Keep them bungees.
Fuck.
Like, you got a lot of them too.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit, you got the GoPro shit?
Oh yeah, man. I'm recording right now if you don't mind.
That's all good. I should have brought my GoPro. I got the head strap and all of that. Yeah, man.
I've been talking about having a bike on my truck, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, man. Look, I gotta get this out, man. I gotta get back to my college days.
For sure.
Yeah.
So how long you been working at Maverick?
It'll be 2 years in July.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know you can't be no newbie, got a bike on the back of you and shit like this.
I've been driving for 4
Yeah?
4 years, yeah.
What made you want to come to Maverick?
Well, I got tired of slamming those. Been at the shippers for like 6, 7 hours.
Oh.
I getting paid a lot. Like,
Yeah.
I can't make no money.
Yeah.
My brothers, they truck. And my uncles, they truck too. My granddaddy was a trucker, so it's in my blood.
Yeah, exactly.
But my brother, he did flatbed for a little bit. He was like, yeah, man, if you don't want to wait, just jump on a skateboard, in and out, it's cool. And then I saw what Maverick was paying, because I was going to go to Boyd Brothers, and somebody was like, nah, let's go to Maverick. So I did the research, and this is one guy on YouTube. I found him, trucking with Tay.
Oh, yeah.
He's talking good. I'm like, all right, let me see what's up.
See what's up. Hell yeah.
I got here. I ain't had no complaints.
So are you trying to get your own shit?
Yeah, but not right now.
Eventually.
Yep. I was gonna jump out there, but I saw how the economy was going. I'm like,
yeah, not right now, for sure.
I don't want to do that right now. So I'm like, go ahead and get my house.
Yeah.
It's gonna do me good.
Yeah, cause Maverick, they pay all right in my opinion.
It could be better, but
for sure.
It get the job.
Yeah. Well, yeah, man. So you just go. So you dropping right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop mine.
Yeah.
And shit, just get up under it, bring your 14 straps, and get up out of here.
Yeah, that's it. Let me get them locks off, because I got locks on them.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look, I used to park my truck right here on the street. I would drop the trailer. I had a load of shingles. Somebody stole half of the load, bro.
Damn.
They stole shingles, because a pack of them joints is like...
They heavy as fuck.
Pounds, right?
Yep. Damn.
I think I had I had 18 pallets. They took.
So they didn't take the whole pallets, they took the shit off.
Exactly, if you was to count it pack by pack, because I went back and I counted they took 300 pallets.
Dang! Golly. So I see why you don't park right here no more.
Right. So right now, I'm in the neighborhood, but it's like a little service street that don't nobody use no more. So I get back off in there.
Oh yeah,
so
smart.
There, you try to steal something, you probably gonna kill yourself
trying to get it. Exactly. Hell yeah. You gotta get out, buddy.
Yeah. You
gotta get out. I'm about to bag it up. Well, I'm not gonna back it up. He'll be able to get out once I drop it and move out the way. Yeah. See, this right here, when you repower, not even repowering, when you dropping a fucking trailer, this be like the worst shit almost. You gotta crank that motherfucker a couple times. Oh, ain't no telling. Okay. All right, so okay, so when we repower a load, I have to give him everything that he used on his load. I have to give it to him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He said he used 14 straps, so I have to give him 14 straps. You heard me? You got your straps over here? How you like the mirror eye?
It was an adjustment.
Yeah.
That's cool. Hey, but this trailer high tech like hell.
Hell yeah, man. I hate to see it go. I hate to see it go.
It look like they just got this on the yard like
Yep.
2 days ago.
Yep, that's what I was saying. I was like, damn, this is a 22? It look like probably like a 23 or some shit.
Right, I don't see no stuff marks on the trailer.
Motherfucker buy brand new. Huh. You saw the tarp box? Yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. That motherfucker look right.
What is it, Great Dane?
That one?
Yeah.
I think that's the Max Miser. Yeah, the Max Miser, that R word, whatever the fuck it means.
I know she brand new, because them was strong.
Yep, no cap.
How many you put up already?
4. I got 4 in my hand right now. So is this your Wi-Fi, this long ass thing right here?
On the outside?
Yeah.
Nah, that's my CD antenna.
Ah, see, I gotta give me one.
Hold up right there, because I got some extra straps. She might not even grab all of that.
Oh, okay.
I be trying to collect stuff, man. 'Cause some shit where I be like.
Oh well, me too actually. Yeah, I think I got like 2 extra straps. I got 2 extra timbers, so I got some extra shit too.
4 extra, 4,
All right.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah.
Oh, you do yours a different way. Let's see. I ain't never seen that. Fuck with it.
I'm a dirty meat freak.
For sure.
Functionality.
All right, so how many more we need? You gonna take?
I'll leave you with one more just to
All right.
be on the safe side.
All right.
So that way we probably need.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I talked to my fleet manager. I put my time in about a month ago. I'm like, hey, boy, listen, don't forget.
They tried me with that same shit like last week, dog.
I'm like, hey, bro, cause I'm sitting here. I had to go to the eye doctor this morning, man.
Yeah.
I called him yesterday. He was like, yeah, we'll just head to the house and we'll have somebody repower. It's about, I kid you not, like after I got off the phone with him, they were like,
just one more.
Yeah, just throw it up and down.
Yeah.
30 minutes later, and you call. I'm like, cool. But when I called him, he was like, oh shit. Like he had forget. I'm
Yep.
like, you tripping, bro.
Yeah, right? Yep.
This load would have been sitting right down the yard.
You don't give no fucks.
Right.
You hear me?
Oh, yeah.
That same thing happened to me. Same thing happened to me.
Man, they be busy, yo.
Yeah. But you said what? I know. This motherfucker getting hard, man. It's
Ain't
cool.
no lights on the trailer. I had called to get that tire replaced, so all of the tires are good.
Straight up. You said there's no lights on the trailer?
I mean, there's lights on the
But they don't
trailer,
have no marker
no
lights?
ABS lights.
Oh,
what I mean. Like, it got no
okay.
bad lights. My bad.
Yeah.
I did it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's good, man.
Straight up.
Yeah, that top box right there a little sketchy. Cause he like, I think that top one don't.
It's weird by the way it locks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I done had a couple of them.
Yeah.
At least you won't have no troubles.
Man, listen, I don't know. I had a 22 and she was a little iffy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So you said you got the whole GoPro set up and everything too?
Well, not the whole GoPro, but I got the kit, you know.
Yeah, you got the kit.
Hit the joint,
The chest thing, yeah.
The suction cups. I got a degree in broadcast journalism.
Ah. See, I was just about to ask you, you be on your you be on the YouTube grind and shit?
Well, see, I won't, man. With the way my life's set up, man, I be on the phone all day.
Oh, hey, you see where she at?
Yeah. See, the original plan, we was gonna, jump out here on this thing together. Drive it,
And that's perfect too. Ooh.
got her ass pregnant.
Yeah. Hey. She cooking right now. That's good.
My sister, she ex-Navy, so it ain't enough for her to get a little more.
Oh yeah, for sure. She'll be out here throwing shit, right along with your type.
Right. Yeah, She look a little weird back there, but you ain't gotta worry about it. She on there. Like,
Oh yeah, I ain't worried about it. I ain't worried about it. I can't wait to get this off and actually see what it is though. Cause I ain't never seen it before, so.
shit. You gonna look at it and you'll be like, this shit.
Yeah.
Cause man, look, when they put it on there, it's spongy.
Mm.
So normally on a load like this, I just throw 2 straps and keep it pushing.
Yeah.
You know, I put one down the center just to crank it down, just to keep it in the middle.
Make sure.
Yeah.
Make sure that shit ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. Because honestly, this is the second time I've been hauled this. The first time was like 2 weeks after I got when I started with Maverick, and the load started doing this whole ordeal. So I said next time I get it, I'm gonna make sure I crank this shit down.
For sure. This motherfucker do look like it's.
Yeah, she look crazy, but she on.
Look
there.
like it what I got damn.
She on there, man. She lined with plastic, and you see I got 1,000 bunches.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to see what this is. I'm gonna have to see how you did it. Cause it looks different. Yeah.
I just loop it around. Have you ever picked up a load in Gent?
Gent, Kentucky.
Yeah. With the steel
Yep.
coils.
Is it American stainless or something like that?
Yeah. I say
Yeah, I've been
Gent,
there.
you know that city, but
I know
it
you're
is
talking
just
about.
American stainless.
Yep.
But when they bring out the preloaded trailers, they wrap the rubber rails just like
that.
So,
Cool.
plus, you know, some of that wood was coming off, and you know how it is when you try to sit up there before you can pop the strap to get it straight. I just looped it on there so it'll.
Yeah.
Let me get out of here.
What the hell she want?
Nah, that's the Amazon selling right there. When you go out, go down these dirt roads. Take a left. Go down here, you're gonna see an intersection, railroad tracks. Take a left, it's gonna take you straight back to 85.
Cool, appreciate you. She said,
I was like, oh, bitch, don't get no attitude. Please.
she was trying to talk to you,
No, she was just looking. I don't even know if she saw me. She just looked out the window.
and she
was
said,
like, with her little attitude. I'm like, girl, boo, we gonna quit driving or something.
hey, fucking Amazon.
Like, girl,
Stop playing. You good?
And so when you get to the edge of this road, stay far right. So when you turn that left, you'll
I'll make it. All right, cool. All right, take it easy, man.